Hi guys, welcome back. Adrian here from Tradeology, and I'm continuing in our series of short educational videos for Forex for beginners. And today's lesson is about pips. What are pips? What we'll cover in this video is the question, what is a pip? Standard price quotes, non-yen, yen pair price quotes, cents, pence, and others. So let's begin. The word pip is actually an acronym. It stands for percentage in point. Standard price quotes are currency pairs that do not include the Japanese yen, or JPY. These pairs have 4 or 5 decimal places, which I'll get into just now. Yen price quotes are currency pairs that include the Japanese yen, or JPY. These pairs have 2 or 3 decimal places, and I'll cover that also shortly. So, for example, a standard price quote, a non-yen quote, would have 4 decimal places in some instances, depending on the broker. For example, the Euro USD could have price quote of 1.2345. A standard price quote, non-yen, could have 5 decimal places for the same currency at a different broker, Euro USD 1.23456. And when we look at currency quote or price, we can see cents, percentage of a cent, or a pip, and 0.1%. And I'm going to explain that in the next slide. So in the slide, you'll see the price quote 1.23456. And in the price, first to the left number 1, is the dollar amount. 23 is the cents. 45 is the percentage of a cent. And 6 is the 10th of a percent. Now, in the yen price quote, we have 2 decimal places. So, for example, USD JPY would be quoted as 82.75, for example. Or, in some cases, we could see the yen price quote for the same currency pair having 3 decimal places, for example, 82.754. Now, in the price 82.754, 82 is the yen, 75 is the percentage of a yen, and 4 is the 10th of a percent. Cents, pence, and others. The dollar. The smaller unit for the dollar is the cent. The euro, the smaller unit for the euro is the euro cent. For the pound, the smaller unit is the pence. For a franc, the smaller unit is the rappen. And for the yen, there is no smaller unit. That concludes this short video for today. Look forward to speaking to you again soon, guys.